You need to understand. Do you have a calculator with you?
I'm using my phone.
Oh, okay. All right. If you have your phone with you, I don't know if are you in your computer right now? I add this as important. Okay, input. So you see this goes in. We call this as input. Okay. Understand when relation is a function. Okay. So I think we talked about it earlier. A function is a relation, but the value of x is used once. That's function. More than one, it's not a function. All right, here we go. This is my input, okay? X. This is my output, Y. Okay, that's my output. So the X value is called domain. Okay? You know what? Let me tell you this. Doctor ID. Doctor D means domain. No, do it like this. DR ID IO. What's this? This is just another terms that they're gonna use on the test. Okay, let me write this. D stands for domain. Okay, it means these are the value of X. Everything that falls on this are X. Okay. I means independent variable. Independent variable. Another I means input. But the meaning of this are just the value of X. Okay. Let me highlight that. The meaning of this is just these are the value of X. Can be use the word domain, independent variable, or input. Now let's look at the R. The R. Let's change the color so you know. R is the range. The meaning of that is just the Y. D stands for dependent variable. And O stands for output. Okay. Why do you need to know this? Because sometimes they will use a fancy words like range. What's the range? What's independent variable? What's the output? Just the meaning is values A, Y. They will use different vocabulary, but the meaning are the same. Same thing on the on the left side. Okay, they might use domain, independent variable, input, but the meaning is just the value of X. Are we getting this?
Yes.
All right, good. Now here we go. Let's do the math here. So, I'll teach you the easiest way. No, I don't want you to do, okay? There's an easiest way for this. So if you see this value, complete the each function table, then grab the function. Because you're testing, I'm not teaching you like an a like a high school student. I'm teaching you how to pass. So if you see an equation like this, immediately put this in the graphing calculator. Okay, where's my graphing calculator? Here we go. You can see this is my Desmos. You can download this in your cell phone, so you have a graphing calculator. Now, look at the first number here. Instead here, y equals x plus 4, no? You see that?
Hmm.
Okay. I'm just going to type that. It's like typing y equals y equals x plus x plus 4. X plus 4. So my graph, that's what they're asking me to graph here. No, I will do that later, but I want to show you the easy way. I type this equation in here, gives you the graph. Now, if I want the table, they're telling me that every input, there is output. What are those numbers there? I'm going to plug in here. You see? They said -5, -4, -2, 0. I'm just going to type this here. -5, -5, -4, -4, -2, and 0. That's what I just need, okay? So look at that. When I type the value of x, gives me the value of y. You know what I'm saying? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Are you getting this? This is the easiest way. You put it in calculator, but I will teach you the how to do it in math, okay? But like I said, on your test, during the test, don't make it complicated. If you see an equation, plug it into your calculator and be familiarized on your calculator on how to use it, okay? Like I said, I took this test long time ago, 20 years ago. During my time, they just use the handy calculator. But I'm not sure this time if you have computer-aided calculator. If you have this graphing, do it, okay? You see what I did here? I just type it and I look at the number. You're good?
Yes.
Okay, now we'll solve it. Look at the numbers. -1, 0, 2, 4. Okay, I will go back to that later. Let's solve this. Let's solve this. Okay. Here we go. You need to help me out here, okay? If I input -5 plus 4, what's the answer? -5 plus 4, it means -1. Do you agree with me?
Yes.
So this is the number coming from here. So my answer here is -1. That's what they're telling me. Okay? So it means if I have -5, the value of my -5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, my answer is -1, somewhere there. That's the first number, -5 and 1. Okay? Good. Now, if I do change the color so you can see, -4 plus 4, what do you think? The answer is
0.
0. So the answer is 0. So it means if I went -4, 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 4, somewhere there. That's the red. That's my answer. Okay, let's go next number. Blue. What's that? -2 plus 4. My answer is +2. You agree with me?
Yes.
My answer is 2. So it means if I input -2, 1, 2, my answer is +2, 1, 2, somewhere there. Okay? And then last number there was 0. 0 plus 4, that's easy. That's 4. So this is 0. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are the values. This is where I got, no? And then I'm just going to connect this in one line. Let's change another color here. You know what? Let me use this. This one here. I'm going to connect this. Ta-da! That's using mathematical way. Remember, we did this earlier, no? Look at what I did here. That's the number 4, 0 and 4. This is the -2 and 2. This is the -4 and 0, which is this. And this is the -5 and 1. Are you getting it?
Yes.
All right, good. Now, we're going to do the same thing here, no? I hope you have a calculator with you. Because this is easy. This is easy. You just need to graph this and find the table. Okay? All right. Let's do another one. Let's do this number 3 here. Okay. 3 times, they said -2. My answer is -6. Okay? Next is Next color, wait. -2. My answer is -6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Somewhere there. That's -2, -6. Next is, if I put 3 times -1, it's -3. So -1, 1, 2, 3. Somewhere here, -3. Okay. Next is 0. 3 times 0, of course, that's 0. So if I put 3, 1, 2, 3, my bad. The input is 0 and 0, somewhere there. Then finally, next is, let's use pink. 3 times 1, it's 3. Okay, so my input is 1, my answer is 3, somewhere there. Now, the graph is telling me that's the graph. Okay, now that's the way we use it. No, now let's do it in the graphing calculator. Okay, all right, here we go. I'm gonna type it. Y equals 3x. Simple as that. Okay, you can maximize this or minimize. Now, sir, how can I get to that table? Oh, my bad, I forgot to write the number here. Okay, my bad. I forgot to write the number. Was that pink? Who? Okay. Sir, how can I get to that? Like we did earlier, no? I'm going to go to, that's my equation. I'm just going to go to the donut or the gear, Desmos, and then I'm going to the table. Boom. Click the table. Oh, it's not aligned. Oh, it's aligned. Yeah, it's aligned. -2, -6, -1, -3, 0, 0, 1, 3. We're good?
Yes.
All right, no? If you click this, it tells you where's that number. See? All right. Now,